This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a clear image that matches your screen resolution. This prevents stretching. Once chosen, save it to Pictures or the desktop so you can find it quickly. Right-click an empty area on the desktop and select Personalize. This opens the classic Windows 8 theme controls. Make sure you have administrator or account access if prompts appear. Take these first steps now so you can move directly into setting the wallpaper without bouncing between folders or apps. You click Desktop Background at the bottom of the Personalize window and then hit Browse to navigate to your saved image. Select the file. You may also tick multiple files to create a slideshow that cycles through images. Next, choose a positioning option. Fill keeps aspect ratio, fit scales to width, stretch forces full screen, tile repeats, and center leaves margins. Once done, click Save Changes to apply. This sequence ensures the image displays correctly and avoids odd cropping or distortion. You can also personalize the start screen separately. Open Charms, choose Settings, then change PC settings, go to PC and Devices and select Personalize. Pick a start background and accent color. If the desktop wallpaper does not update, check that the image file isn't blocked by permissions and try a different format like PNG or JPG. As a final fix, restart Explorer. EXE from Task Manager or sign out and sign back in. This forces the system to reload themes and usually resolves lingering display issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.